Special nga siya, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? Kiko Bites here. Ngayon, samahan niyo ako sa isang masayang food trip dito sa Marilake. Iikot tayo sa tatlong sikat na coffee/restos para tikman at review ang kanilang mga pros and cons. Para alam ninyo kung saan sulit ang tambay at kape time. Kaya buckle up, relax at ready na ang taste buds nyo. Tara, silipin na natin at sabay-sabay nating ma-experience ang vibe ng mga spot na to. Let's go!
Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Cafe Natividad. Kasi naghanap tayo ng best coffee place dito ngayon sa Along Marilake. Meron kami mga nakita mga bagong mga, I'm not sure kung bago yun but medyo mas modern sila kaysa Cafe Natividad. And in the end, check natin kung ano yung tingin natin na prefer ko or feeling ko ang pinaka-best along Marilake Highway. Tara! Guys, as you can see, meron din pala dong ban or nag-ano sila doon. Lunch dito muna. Huwag tayong magpabusog kasi baka try din natin yung ibang cafes doon. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, our food is here. Try natin itong sisig na to. Ayan, as you can see, meron siyang 2 eggs. Usually kapag sisig, gusto ko ng mayo. Parang mas masarap. Try natin. Chewy yung meat. Yung crispiness wala masyado dun. Manamis-namis yung mayo niya. Like, mas maganda kung di masyadong matamis. Pero okay lang naman. Next, try natin tong sinigang bulalo. Yun, no? Testing natin. Well, yung bulalo niya, hindi masyado parang nawala na yung bulalo niya yung flavor dahil mas nangibabaw yung asim niya. Testing natin yung meat, kung malambot. Malambot. Siguro ang only complaint ko lang sa meat na to is sobrang lean niya. On the other hand naman, siguro masasabi mo natin hindi siya ganun ka-fatty. Kung nag-watch kayo ng weight ninyo or cholesterol. Tawag nila dito is cream puff. Test. Yung loob niya is medyo moist na para siyang hot cake. Parang local chocolate natin dito. Yung hinahalo sa mga coffee. Okay guys, we're done eating here. Overall, ang masasabi ko sa vibe na place, medyo relax siya. Marirecommend ko siya if you're looking for just a chill place na mabilisan lang. Their serving time is super fast. Yung bulalo namin, in-order namin, inabot lang siya ng less than 10 minutes. Yung seats nila, medyo hindi comfortable, totoo lang. I'm not sure, baka yung upuan ko lang yun. Let's go to the next. Alright guys, this is our next vlog. Nandito na tayo sa Tanay Highlands. Napansin namin siya kanina kasi ang dami nakapark eh. So ayun, mukha naman maganda. Nasilip namin sa may gate banda. Maganda siya, mukha siya aesthetic eh. Para siyang medyo Starbucksy or medyo modern yung design niya or medyo industrial. Medyo maliwalas din siya sa loob since yung paint niya dun sa loob is mostly white. Tara!
Kung ano po ng menu?
Okay, as you can see guys, medyo ibang view rito. Less yung mga... Actually kasi maganda yung city view kapag lalo na paggabi. But if you can see here, feeling ko magandang view nga to na medyo hapon. Pero paggabi siguro mostly dark na makikita nyo dyan eh. But you know, okay naman ngayon. And makikita nyo may mga windmills. May kalakihan na rin siya for a mini cake. And guess how much this is? 200 lang isa. I think specialty nila to. Taste test natin. Alright guys, medyo na-distract tayo. Ang tamis niya. Above average level ng tamis. Nalalasahan ko yung Hershey's chocolate sa kanya. I think yung Hershey's syrup na nilagay. Mostly yun yung nilagay dito. Testing naman natin to. This is their custard cake. Para siyang leche flan. Tapos jiggly siya. So, ayun. Aesthetic siya tingnan. And mukha rin siya masarap. Taste test. Mas gusto ko to. 100% mas gusto ko to. Spongy yung cake, airy siya. Very good talaga. Very good. Hindi ako nagbibiro ah. Ang sarap talaga nito. One more bite. Very good. Very good lang masasabi ko. Orderin nyo to. Next. Taste test naman natin tong squid ink pasta. Taste test. Alam niyo yung texture niya? May pagka-ramen eh. Hindi siya yung noodles ng parang spaghetti. Yung coffee nila is kalasa niya is yung pick-up coffee. This place has a very nice view. Nice nice atmosphere. Almost festive. Maraming bata nagtatakbuhan. Everyone's taking pictures of you. And if you guys want to drink, they also offer alcoholic drinks dito. It's very aesthetic. Super aesthetic niya. Pet friendly, may mga dogs, and I think they also sell ice cream here. So medyo Filipino, meron siyang Filipino feel, kahit medyo modern yung look niya, modern industrial look siya. So yun, also yung serving time nila, hindi rin ganun katagal, kahit na sobrang daming kumakain dito. Okay, this is it for this cafe. Doon na tayo sa next. Alright, so we're done eating dito sa Tanay Highland. And all I can say is sa loob festive vibes. Overall, sobrang open air niya, sobrang aliwalas. I would recommend this place if you have a date or family dinner or lunch. And masarap ngayon ng hangin, especially now. Medyo malamig na ngayong gabi. Medyo Tagaytay level na siya. Ang mga 24 degrees Celsius yung temperature dito ngayon. Plus mahangin siya. Plus maraming nagpipicture and kapag gusto rin yun ng mga picture taking na sites, okay rin siya rito. They have bakery here, so kung gusto nyo lang mag-quick coffee, meron din dito silang bakery rito. Especially yung cakes nila. Gusto ko yung custard cake nila. So yun, on to the next. Okay guys, we're on our last spot dito sa Lanai by Annabelle's. And if you ask me who Annabelle is, actually hindi ko rin alam. Pero ang alam ko, ito. Nasa Tomas Morato siya dati. At akalain nyo yun, lumipad sila dito sa Tanay Rizal. At alam nyo kung bakit? Hindi ko rin alam. This place is so open. Meron kang city view doon. Pet friendly din siya. So, if you have dogs, you can bring them here. Ayun. And they have a playground there. I saw a playground over there. Kids are playing over there. And then, I think this is a good spot for picture taking. Let's vlog more. Alright guys, so here we are again. Babe, ano masasabi mo?
It's cold.
It's cold.
But it's pretty.
Pretty.
Yeah.
And?
Pretty lights and...
And
kung gusto nyo mag-date, very romantic yung place, no?
romantic.
Oo.
Super windy. Super nice. Marerelax ka. Ano ba
medyo
masasabi
social
ko?
yung place, no? Pag
medyo
siyang
social.
fine dining. Kung gusto nyo medyo,
Saucy.
posh na date. Date place. Ito yun. Dito, around Tanay, ha? And it's cold.
Yeah, super lamig. Super mahangin. So yun, explore muna namin. Explore pa kami. Catch you later, guys. Alright guys, we are seated now. Coming here, okay naman siya. Mukha nga siyang mas fine dining. And also, pagkaupo namin, meron silang free breadsticks. Crispy ba to? Testing natin crispy. Ay, parang siyang biscuit. Plus meron siyang dip. Naku! Ano?
Mushroom chichar. Enoki mushroom chichar.
Inoki mushroom chichar. Parang,
Tela nga. Sige, yun na lang. Sige. Sige, yun na lang.
inoki, yung pahaba.
Opo, fried.
Yung binibili ko, yung hinahalo ko sa gulay minsan. Oo. Sige, yun na lang muna.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Okay guys, bad news. Wala pala yung laing na lumpia. Oh well. So anyway. Wala ko. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Masarap pa. Tomato sauce to na may olive oil, tingin ko. I ordered coffee, yung black coffee, Americano. Kanina, gusto namin orderin kasi yung lumpiang laing. Masarap daw kasi. But sinabi sa amin wala na. So ang sabi ni ate, ang meron na lang daw is fried chicharon. Fried enoki chicharon to be exact. Well, enoki naman is very good. Actually, hinahalo ko siya sa gulay. So taste test natin yung coffee nila kasi medyo highly rated tong coffee nila. Okay, first sip. Special nga siya, guys. Oo, wait Okay. Yung bitterness niya sa coffee, sobrang hina. Kasi, and then after taste niya, bigla siya nag-roast sa ilong mo. Ganun siya. Ganun siya level, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng ganitong coffee. Ganito ka okay. Promise. Ngayon lang. Okay. Wow. I mean, coming here, totoo lang, coming here, just to come here for their coffee. Sobrang okay na. Yun lang masasabi ko. Try nga ulit. Oh guys, no joke. Hindi ako nag-joke. Pumunta kayo dito para sa Kape ni Nat nang malaman ninyo. Best coffee ever. So yun guys, antayin natin yung food natin dumating. Alright guys, dumating na ang food natin. We ordered the fried enoki, the sinugbang baboy with meron dinuguan dip, and then the kinilaw na tanige with sinugbang liempo rin. So yun guys, taste test na natin. Taste test. Masarap siya, parang chicharon ng level. Enoki mushroom is medyo oily, so if yung babantay ka ng cholesterol nyo, huwag ito kakainin. Pero masarap siya. Crunchy and melts in your mouth. Parang natutunaw na nga siya. Actually, parang meat na nga siya eh. Actually, pag kinain nyo siya, medyo calamari siya, na mas malambot. So, parang siyang meat na kinain ninyo. Ganun siya, ganun level. So, kung siguro vegetarian kayo, but ang problema kasi, medyo oily siya. Sinugbang liempo with dinuguan dip. Taste test. The pork is medyo sweet. And then yung sausawan na dip na dinuguan is dinuguan nga siya. So, for originality, pwede. Next. Kinilaw na tanige. Well, okay naman. Tastes super clean. It's well prepared. Yun lang masasabi ko. And wala akong nakagat na tinik or kaliskis ng isda. So yun guys, overall, everything is good. Everything is nice. Come here, get their coffee. So yun guys, that's it for our vlog. Boom guys, we're done eating here. Overall, it's fun. Fun na I would say na ang dami mong pwedeng gawin pag pumunta kayo dito. And when you get there, they have a proper place for coffee and then food, everything. Plus their servers are super professional. Like they make you feel na talagang nasa upscale na restaurant or proper fine dining restaurant. That's how they make you feel. Plus ang coffee nila, don't forget to get their coffee when you get here. It's one of the best. Actually, I would even say it's better than Starbucks or even commercial coffee shops you can find in Manila. Hands down. Ito ang best for me. This trip in Tanay Rizal, medyo nakakapagod kasi hindi tayo sanay long drive. But if you come here, hindi kayo mauubusan ng pupuntahan. And para na rin kayong pupunta sa Tagaytay. If you're from the north, you don't have to go to Tagaytay. Tanay Rizal is, for me, one of the best places to eat, to have coffee. They all have bulalo here, but if comparing the food ng Bulalo sa Tagaytay and here, siguro mas masarap sa Tagaytay. But, I mean, ang dami kasi ditong choices eh. So, we've only gone to 3. So far, ang favorite ko ay Tanay by Highlands. Yun yung favorite ko since sobrang open space niya, ang ganda ng view, ang layo ng tingin mo. Depende sa kung ano yung hinahanap mo eh. So, kung gusto niyo ng open space, which yung prefer ko for me yun lang prefer ko. Open space and open area. The food is not bad, plus meron silang desserts and everything. I would say, Tanay by the Highlands. And upscale here. And then medyo casual lang talaga, 2 Cafe Natividad. So yun, overall guys, I hope you enjoy our video as much as we have enjoyed doing this. See you guys next time and stay healthy. Bye!